sticks his head up. Kill him. Kill the other one. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, I got that white one.
Damn.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow.
I can't believe I missed that other one.
Oh my goodness. My heart is pounding. Oh my. Hey, was it worth the wait?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Hey, I don't think you missed the other one.
I had to have hit it.
Listen. We're done, brother. Holy cow, I think we just doubled. One white one, one regular one. Holy cow. Oh man. I'll tell you what, that's a hunt of a lifetime for me right there, bro.
Yeah. I agree. That's my first albino.
Curdy says they're not albino, it's a white turkey with a chromosome deficiency or something.
Well, yeah, that other one flopping right up there. You're gonna let me piss before I do anything.
Yeah, I'll hear that. Sounded to me like he was just on the other side of these bushes here. I sure am glad we switched this morning because we'd have been in the sun and he might not have come close enough. I'll let you go first. I think he's dead, but huh?
Come on, big boy, where you at? I think he's dead too, but...
There he is.
Oh, man.
Yeah, buddy. Doubled out.
cool. Couldn't been no better than that.
Nope.
Couldn't have been no better than that. Drop the shell here somewhere. That's a good time there. A 2-year-old bird there.
Yep.
Aye. Good hunt, Bubba.
Paradise Adventures, what do you think?
I love it.
Altoona, Kansas. That's a pretty good hunt. A little patience paid off this morning.
Yep.
All there is left now is fill out some tags and break the good news.
What a damn deal.
That is sweet. And that's just how we like it at Paradise Adventures.